The House of Representatives still dey insist to my good people. They say their monthly salary no be 900k o, say na 600k. Then about that lawmaker wey show us in credit alert, wey show us in salary payment, the House of Rep come dey explain why he receive over 900k as in salary. Then about the donation wey the lawmakers wan do to country people sake of the hunger wey dey for inside the nation, they still yarn about that one too for inside this fresh information wey we just receive so. And I still bring another interesting informate for you my good people. The koko na about our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You know say after the nationwide broadcast wey this man deliver, after the speech wey he drop for there, maybe they go don tell am say baba, that your speech e no connect o, e no just go well at all. The things wey he talk for there, e reach to make country people para the more. E come make this man now come feel the need to address country people again. And if you ask me, my good people, I go tell you say now our president sound like president of a country. That first time he sound like stranger, he sound like person wey no know how things be for a country. But you see this new speech now is very much different. I would like make you hear the things and things wey dey involved. Now without wasting much of your time, make I dive into the matter. Make I give you the full details of this information. So, and normally I will start with the matter of the House of Representatives. Like this now, my good people, they don't debunk the claims with the yarn say lawmakers they receive 900k as monthly salary. For inside one statement wey they issued on Wednesday for inside Abuja by the spokesperson of the House of Representatives, the name na Cessä0UT. And for inside this statement wey he drop so, he can clarify you. Say the real amount wey they receive on a monthly levels na 600k after some kind deductions. You know say the House of Representatives don't dey receive serious heat. They don't come under pressure sake of the reports wey dey ground about their salaries. Different reports dey yarn different things. Some reports dey talk say the members dey receive full salary for inside the month of July and all of that. Now Oga Cessä0UT come outside come dey yarn o. He say some media outlets don dey yarn things and things about the House of Representatives and mostly about their salaries. He say some media now dey report say they no receive full payment, while some media dey report say they receive full payment, while some other media dey report say their monthly salary dey reach 936,979 naira. Now he don come outside and he dey wish to clarify say their actual monthly salary for House of Reps members na 600k after some kind deductions for advances like housing, and that one sef dey pay am immediately the tenure just commence. Oga Rotimi come dey explain o. See that lawmaker now wey display in salary on TV program wey receive over 900k. He say why he receive that kind of money na because say he assume office through a court decision many months after they don conclude onboarding process. And he constantly yarn my good people say the House of Reps they are still very much committed to their resolution. When they yarn say they will reduce 50% of their salary for 6 months to help country people, they say they don't already plaster am. Now since the 18th day of July, now they make this declaration. Although the resolution now they implemented as intended for the month of July where they supposed normally start. Oga Rotimi say the delay no be intentional something. He say na necessary administrative procedures and coordination with financial institutions. Na something we say he pass their power. Now Oga Rotimi wey be the spokesperson of the house, he don yarn finish. He no give us the new dates where they will start this their donation to country people based on hunger. You understand? No drop new dates. Now if you ask me, my good people, I go tell you say this statement now where the spokesperson of the house wey be Oga Rotimi come drop so, this clarification wey he carry come, e make sense in one way, e no make sense in another way. He don't talk finish. But I feel say the thing now, you're like when you pour water on top stone, because country people now no go like listing. When they receive 600k, you can remove 50%, which is 300,000. You are still earning 300k per month. You not talk about all the alawi they receive, because if you plus all the alawi, you don't pass that kind of money too. And even if country people decide to say okay fine, we could agree say na 600k, and the federal government their weight reach, they have been paying them their salaries. Now more we no talk about the senators, so just the lawmakers. They no fit at least approve Even if na 100k for minimum wage, they go dey approve 70,000 naira. Now those kind levels, e no make sense, and na where e dey pepper some country people. The federal government go dey yarn say money no dey, but they dey pay lawmakers 600k. They say water no dey, but canoe dey move. Anyhow the informate be for body, my good people, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. On to the next informate wey I wan share give the general public, and about the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Like this now, e don dey urge country people again, so make dem do the calms, make dem remain calm, and make dem get patience. Say this in administration, e go work o. The thing go work fine. E go address the economic challenges wey our country dey currently dey face. This new plea from our president, e dey come at a time wey be say protest still dey continue for different states across we country Nigeria. The demand of the protesters e no too plenty, and e dey very simple. The oga kpatakpata of all their demand na say make dem resume fuel subsidy, make dem put subsidy on top fuel again for inside we country wey Bola Ahmed Tinubu remove for inside the 29th day of May for inside the year 2023. Now my good people, for inside one official video wey the State House dem release on Wednesday, wey be the 7th day of August for inside this year 2024, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey acknowledge the difficulties, dey acknowledge the shege wey country people dey face for inside we country. He don admit am, he don confess say this economic reform, so this in transition, e don tough pass wetin he expect, and he come attribute the hardship to one avoidable lag between the subsidy removal and the implementation of the plans of this in administration. So na based on say they no coordinate am well, you understand. But however, our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu gonna reassure country people say this in policy last e go yield positive results. E go give us those things wey we dey cry for. E go give us those things wey we need for inside we country. All we guys do na to endure, get more patience, and we go do the calms, we go give am more time. The thing go soon mature, the thing go soon ripe, so I will enjoy the fruits. This na the second time wey our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey address the nation sake of the ongoing protests and the unrest and the stress and the shege wey country people dey receive and dey go through for inside our country Nigeria. And the first time wey our president address the nation for inside one national broadcast na on Sunday, wey be the 4th day of August for inside this year 2024. This my good people na the informate wey I say make I pass give the general public. Anyhow the thing be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you would like to receive more news like this, you are free to subscribe to this channel, and remember to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, then you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they bring another interesting information for you, my good people. No go anywhere.